What's going on, family? This morning, Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now. Woke up, it was a little cool in here, so I got the fireplace jumping. I'm just kind of sitting here thinking, man, and I had a little situation happen yesterday, and I think this dude, you know how people will do things to you, or do things in front of you, just to rub you wrong, or to show some form of disrespect, but doing it in a clever way. You know what I mean? So sometimes you be out in the field, working, especially being black or being native, a person of color. A lot of times, man, a white man don't like seeing us doing it with skill. Now we were just passing off tools of being a helper, or sweeping the floor, or throwing something away. That's fine, but for us to be in control and actually putting things together, fabricating, installing, being a boss, that bothers them. And you know what, man? I'm to the point where I'm just pretty much tired of the bullshit. I'm gonna just be real with you, man. That's why I've really been focusing on my products and making products and providing services with the products that I'm making versus me having to go work for someone or help someone that's an asshole. People will be an asshole just because you are who you are. I can't change who I am. I'm a go-getter. I'm a hustler. I know how to get it done. I mean, that's just what it is. You know what I mean? But some people don't like that. People don't like to see you outshine them, and you ain't even trying to outshine them. It's just your star. Who you are made just shines. It's who you are. Some people don't like that. Don't like to see us win or eat the way we are. And I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This morning, I'm a little discouraged. As far as continuing the same process. I'm really thinking it's time for me to switch some things up. To keep my peace, to keep my sanity. You know what I mean? Because sometimes it feel like I just be wanting to just. I swear, sometimes I feel like I could just go on a rampage and just get to slapping them every time they say something fucking stupid. You know what I mean? Because they say, man, I wish I had a tape recorder. Fuck this camera. I wish I had a tape recorder where you could hear some of the bullshit I have had people say to me. And I have had to pull coattails and had to get upset and had to, show who I am. Like, hey, man, I'm not going for that bullshit. You can take that to somebody else. Like, it's unreal. But you know what? If this supposed to be easy, if this path that we're taking, it's going to be easy to be independent and start businesses and think outside the box, then everybody be doing it. So, those are things you're going to face in the field, especially being a person of color. It's just white America love to say that we're equal. We're equal. We're equal. We're not equal. Ain't nowhere far from it. But regardless of the situation, man, keep getting your hog on. Stay focused.